قال Abu al-Qasim. Who's Abu al-Qasim? Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. That's his kunya. Okay? His oldest son that passed away very early on, his name was al-Qasim. So he was known as Abu al-Qasim. So قال Abu al-Qasim sallallahu alayhi wasallam, صوموا لرؤيته. Fast when you see it, meaning the moon. وَأَفْطِرُوا لِرُؤْيَتِهِ. And fast and break your fast when you see it, meaning stop fasting when you see it. فَإِنْ غُبِّيَ عَلَيْكُمْ. But if it is hidden from you, meaning it's cloudy, you can't see the moon, غُبِّيَ عَلَيْكُمْ فَأَكْمِلُوا عِدَّةَ شَعْبَانَ 30. Then make sure, then you consider Shaban as for 30 days. Then you consider Shaban as not a 29-day month, or a 28-day month. You consider Shaban a 30-day month. And that's how you estimate. Okay? So when is it hidden? It's hidden in the beginning, at the start of Ramadan. If it's hidden from you, so you want to see, is it Ramadan started, you can't see the moon, then you assume Shaban is 30 days. Okay. We will get into, inshallah, that discussion a little bit. Moon sighting is a whole complex, very controversial discussion, but we're not going to talk about all of that, but I'm going to give you an easy rule of thumb. Inshallah, we will talk about that next time.